If you think about it, then it will disturb. You catch this secret. Sankalpa and Vikalpa. First, it's a thought. I given the definition. Where is it? It's all thinking. But when the actual work comes, Sankalpa is what? It's a feeling. It's not thinking. It's a feeling. Vikalpa is a stubbornness. You want to know what is that Vikalpa feeling? Stubborn. What is stubborn? Sometimes people are so stubborn. I will not do it. Whatever you do, I will not do it. Stubborn. Each of us have that stubborn. Simply use that stubbornness. I will not think during chanting. Be very stubborn that no thinking during chanting. It's a feeling. It is a feeling. It doesn't disturb your positive activity of chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing. Tell exactly what commandment to be applied during drowsy feeling while chanting. First thing is, the command is sleep well properly. Previous night, make sure you sleep well. Second command is, don't sit and chant. Find a path, straight path, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's the second command. Third command is diamond command. If it goes away, chant loudly, hear, bring it back. Okay. So three level solutions are given. So you have to find out where exactly you are doing wrong. If you're not sufficient sleep, all the diamond command will not help. Okay, you have to sleep. Okay, you cannot counter your own bodily forces. It's all subject to all that. Subject to good sleep, we are talking about all the soulful japa and all. Okay. Just see, like this, you have 16 cards, 15 cards. So you keep them in your hand. Nice cue cards. Start with one. Finish your rounds. Take it down. Next one you read. Just only Shraddha. That word is enough. It will trigger. Rest you don't have to read. Beginning you may have to read. Forgiveness round. Like this. So it will be very helpful. When devotee got it done, simple. Went to print out and took a lamination, black and white lamination. Gave it for lamination. So it will last for you. And you can always keep it in your pocket. Or there are small books also like this. Inside, in each there's a plastic cover inside. Small book. The quote book or something. Little bigger than this. That also 16 sheets put inside. For all those who have been with me all along, and if some of you have not been able to be successful in mindful japa, after I reorder everything, you please read everything once again. And then this is so important to equip yourself with understanding of how to do mindful japa. Only on the foundation of mindful japa, you can keep adding shraddha, you can have priti, you can add tasking, all these things you can add. So I want to repeat again and again, I want to ensure that you understand properly this mindful japa. Why you are able to have only 40% I am successful, you say. Why? You have to be 100% successful because it is a simple thing a child can learn. You are being more than a child, therefore you are not able to learn. In the training module, what did I say? Obedience like a child. If you are not able to do mindful japa, then you are not able to do what a child can do. You have to go into the mood of a child. We are all child before Srila Prabhupada. That golden quotes, golden command should be followed like a bacha, like a child. Chant and hear exactly the same song. Yes. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. No big pandit, no big thinking, all those things. Like a child. Train your mind.